Have you ever wanted to make a balloon float without air? Well, that's what we're going to be doing today. We are going to be making an expanding balloon. What you will need is baking soda. You will need some vinegar, an empty water bottle, a funnel, and most importantly, safety glasses. Do not think I am an assassin. I got this from the Renaissance Festival. It's completely fake. Completely fake. It's not even cutting this table open. So please do not think I'm an assassin. Please do not report me to YouTube, okay? So first we will have to open this up and put, how dare you, water bottle? I will have to put the funnel inside of the balloon. We will have to put the, ow, that's heavy. Okay. Okay, I don't know how much I need.
Let me help you.
Oh no, that's a little too much. That's a little too much.
Oh yeah, that's enough right there. Oh,
There's too much in there.
it filled up the whole balloon. Let's pour it back in there.
Failed science experiment.
No, it's not failed. We just put a lot in there. All right.
All right, now that we, ah! It's all over my hand.
It's okay.
It's science, okay? It's supposed to be messy. Okay, Mommy, can you hold this?
Just lay it down.
I don't want it to spill or anything. Okay. We need our funnel and our water bottle. This is going to be astronomical. Okay, so this is going,
Hold it.
yeah, this is going to be amazing.
Just only do it maybe halfway.
Uh,
Just lift it. You lift it.
Okay. When I saw another little kid do this, he actually drank some of the vinegar, and that was hilarious. His face just made me laugh so hard.
You want to try it?
No, I'm not drinking vinegar.
Why?
You can't.
Okay.
You can't make me drink vinegar.
Oh, that's a lie.
Okay. So now we
Remember,
need.
don't dump it on there.
I won't. I just have to tip it. Now we are going to,
Put it on there till you're ready.
and then we are just going to just. Oh no. Oh no. Oh. Oh, I think it's working.
Let go of it.
Hold
the bottle. Hold the bottle.
Oh, that's a little too much. We did too much, people.
Lift it up.
We did too much, people. People, I think we did a little too much.
Lift it up.
I can't. That is gonna drain. That is the best chemical reaction ever, guys. Guys, oh, I feel some bubbling out. There's some bubbling. Oh my gosh, look at this. Guys, you do not know what is going on right now. This is so cool. No more is coming out of the thing. It's like completely filled up. There is no air involved in this. It's literally, oh no, more eruption. Oh, look at this. There is no air involved in this. No helium involved in this. All there is just straight up vinegar and baking soda. That's all that is. Oh no, no more reactions. All right, well, yeah, that was amazingly weird. Literally, it went kabloop-a-da-bloop-a-da-blop. I'm gonna try to, actually, should I try it again? Let's do it. We're trying to get messy, people, okay? We're trying to get messy. So, this is gonna be real messy, people. Ready? Let's do this. Woo! Seriously? All right, thank you for watching this video. This was an amazing experiment. I might want to try this again later. This was amazing. We still have some leftover vinegar and baking soda. I might try this later. All right. See you next time on Donovan's Domain. Yeah. Whoa! Ah, whoa, ah. What? Bye.